Hello everybody, we are going to be doing a video today drilling some holes in some cymbals. We have a 10-inch ZHT mini hi-hat bottom style and a China 12-inch. So let's get to drilling some holes. There I am, drilling away. Did some pre-holes, eventually worked all the way up to a full inch. 5 holes in the splash, 4 in the China. And just trying to get a different trashy sound. Let's see what we get. And if you have any cymbals laying around, drill some holes, or there's videos out there of people stain them, get some dry. We'll see what we get. Stay tuned. Okay, we got some holes drilled. Stacking them together, something like that. See how they sound. See how they sound. And here I am tightening the cymbals up. Okay, that was the outcome. Not a whole lot of difference, I thought. Maybe a little trashier, but the holes and the stack and the cymbals is kind of a trend going on right now. It's a pretty cool sound out of them. So a little experiment. Maybe do something else again like that. But for now, this is the end of the video. Like and subscribe my stuff. You may see more videos with this mammoth. Alright. You guys have a good one. Check you later.